Call it the Mini G6, the new mid-range LG Q6 looks and feels a lot like the company's flagship phone. It has a similar bezel-less, immersive display and it's got a nearly identical interface. Of course, when you are talking about a mid-range phone like this new Q6, sold at half the price of the LG G6, you know some compromises have been made. Rather than having high-performance silicon under the hood, the Q6 is powered by the entry-level Snapdragon 435 system chip and it lacks the fancy dual-camera system of the G6. It's not water-protected either. Also, it does not have a fingerprint scanner. Instead, it supports face recognition, but can it really replace the speed, convenience and accuracy of a fingerprint reader? We look at this and all other interesting details around the new LG Q6 right below. The LG Q6 features a 5.5-inch 18:9 LCD display with a 1080p resolution, 1080 by 2160 pixels because it's taller. LG calls this a full vision display because of the minimal bezel around the sides and it is without a doubt the most impressive feature of the Q6. It feels immersive, futuristic, great. It's a completely flat panel, there is no curve to it like on Samsung phone. And just like on the LG G6, the corners are very slightly rounded. But there are a few buts. First and foremost, the screen is over-sharpened in an artificial and very noticeable way. Back in the day, we had a similar issue with the LG G3, the effect looks similar. And then, color reproduction is far from perfect on the Q6. It has less lively colors than more expensive phones, and it is slightly bluish in terms of color balance. The display also reaches maximum brightness level of 457 nits, which is about average. We tested the phone in real life, and it was a bit too reflective and not sufficiently bright for perfectly comfortable outdoor use. We should also note that the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, so it is not as durable as other modern phones.